These AI agents can generate a face, a voice, and a whole video of someone who doesn't exist in seconds. Good enough that you can watch it and not really know the difference. Whether it's the voice inflections, whether it's the facial expressions, whether it's just a feeling of something is off. And it's happening more and more often. A tool this good at inventing people always leaves something to own on the other side, once you see how far the problem actually goes. You see, it's not just people who never existed, it's duplicating people who do. A public figure saying something they never said, a CEO announcing something the company never announced, a candidate on a video who looks right, but same face, same voice, wrong person entirely. And it's not just personalities. It's events that look like they happened but didn't. Footage from a place that never existed. You see, video and imagery used to be proof. Now video and imagery needs to be further proven. There's an old saying that goes, believe half of what you see and none of what you hear. Pretty soon it will be believe none of what you see or just tune everything the fuck out, which leads to a need for someone or something to step in. Picture a clip landing in your feed, someone you recognize saying something that sounds like them, kinda. Now, before it spreads and people see it, before it becomes fact, it hits a pipeline of like verification. You got metadata checks, voice patterns and inflections analyzed, imagery cross-examined against different flaws and inconsistencies of these AI outputs. You got the same systems that created the mess that help with checking the mess. Most of it never touches a human at all, but there needs to be a human involved. One person who decides what proof counts in their world, what hiring can act on, what newsrooms can publish, what marketplace can list. And then another one trains the system on what fake looks like. New deep fakes, adding new spoof patterns, and retrains it as things evolve. The machines run the checks. The humans keep the standard honest, especially when these models start falling behind. Hiring needs it, newsrooms need it, legal teams need it, brands need it, platforms need it, because real is getting harder to spot. Now, at some point, AI will be able to perform this entire pipeline, but until then, the people that run the tools still have to exist. All right? Peace.